Disability Rights Arkansas is a statewide organization, and we advocate for individuals with disabilities. What makes us different than other groups is that we are client-directed, meaning the client with the disability is the individual we listen to and respond to.
People with disabilities as a class have been mistreated, they've been abused, they've been neglected for years and years. So much so that the federal government stepped in and said that there needs to be an independent third party whose sole mission is to protect and advocate for the rights of people with disabilities, to help prevent abuse and neglect where it occurs.
What's interesting to me is that people come to us on all different points on the spectrum. Sometimes they know what their rights are, they need someone to help them to achieve those rights, and sometimes they have no idea even what resources are that are out there. So we're able to, just direct them to other resources within the state and just let them know, and just give people with disabilities different opportunities to be able to get back to work and feel good about themselves and doing that sort of thing.
Being a voice for people who can't otherwise be a voice and illuminating situations. So especially with the systemic issues that we're doing with juvenile justice and with the psychiatric residential facilities, I think there's a large misconception in the community about what services those are actually providing, who those kids are that are accessing those services. And so if people don't really understand the problem, then we're never going to get a solution.
I am the self-advocate coordinator. I reach out to agencies and people with disabilities to help with training on self-advocacy, to help them understand what it means to be a self-advocate, and how to reach out to others like the policymakers and people who will listen about why people with disabilities matter.
I have been actively involved in advocacy for myself and others for at least 10 years now. And I will just say this, it brings me much joy to my heart to speak about the rights of people with disabilities.
Nothing of violence without us.
Thank you, Eric.
I think when our clients meet us and realize, okay, we're not just, talking the talk, we've walked the walk. We know it's hard, we know it's not an easy thing to do, but we do know it's achievable. To live a full and independent life is a very achievable thing. It just takes work, and it takes assistance. It takes, other people helping. It's not something you can do alone. And I think a lot of times in the world of disability, we do feel alone. We feel like we're the only ones who have ever experienced this. And of course, disability is unique to the person, but sometimes situations aren't unique. And to have those experiences helps so much.
Be visible. Embrace your different abilities and go make things happen for the state of Arkansas. Thank you.